So students, we are going to solve the assignment problem. The problem now is to find the optimal solution for the given assignment problem. So to solve this problem, first we have to check whether the given problem is balanced or not. For that, find the number of rows and the number of columns. In this problem, the number of rows is equal to 4 and the number of columns is also 4. Therefore, the AP is balanced. Number of rows equal to number of columns. Therefore, the AP is balanced. Therefore, the order of the matrix is also 4. The next step is to find row difference. So, for that, choose a least element in each row. For example, the least element in the first row is 8. Subtract that 8 from all the elements of that row. So, 11 minus 8 is 3. 17 minus 8 is 9, 8 minus 8 is 0, 16 minus 8 is 8. Similarly, choose the least value in the second row. In the second row, the least of all values is 6. So, subtract that 6 from all the values of the second row. So, 9 minus 6 is 3, 7 minus 6 is 1, 12 minus 6 is 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. So, proceed the same way for all the rows in that problem. So, this is the row difference matrix. Next is to find the column difference. How to find the column difference? So, choose the least value in each column. For example, in the first column, the least element is 1. Subtract this 1 from all the elements of that column. So, 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, 4 minus 1 is 3. So, in the second column, the least value is 0. So, subtract that 0 from all the elements of that column. So, 9 minus 0 is 9, 1 minus 0 is 1, 4 minus 0 is 4, 0 minus 0 is 0. So, do the same procedure for all the other columns. Next is to find the optimal allotment. So, how to set the allotment? Choose a row which is having a single 0. For example, in the first row, we are having a single 0. Just box that 0 and then strike it down by column wise and mark that line as line 1. Again, check for the row which is having the single 0. So, in the first row, we striked out this 0. Therefore, we are having no 0 in the first row. So, in the second row, we are having a single 0. Just box that 0 and then strike that 0 by column wise and mark it as line 2. Next, we are having no 0 in the first row, no 0 in the second row and 0 in a third row. So, in the third row, we are having a single 0 and box it and strike it out by column and mark it as line 3. Now, we are having no 0 in the first row, no 0 in the second row, no 0 in the third row and in the fourth row, we are having a single 0 and box it, strike it out by column wise and mark it as line number 4. So, how many lines we are having here? Number of lines equal to 4, which is equal to the order of the matrix. If it is satisfied, then we can conclude that we attained the optimal assignment. That is, what are the area names given? W, X, Y and Z, and the salesman names are A, B, C and D. Hence, the optimal assignment is A is allotted to Y. Therefore, A is allotted to Y. And B is allotted to Z. Therefore, B is allotted to Z. C is allotted to W. Therefore, C is allotted to W. And then D is allotted to X. Therefore, D is allotted to X. Therefore, the minimum or the optimum assignment cost equal to Write down the value in the original problem where the box is placed. So in the first row, third value is boxed. So in the original problem, what is the third value in the first row? 8. Therefore, the minimum assignment cost is 8 plus in the second row, we are having box in the fourth column. The original value in the second row, fourth column is 6. Therefore, 8 plus 6. Similarly, in the third row, we are having box in the first column. The original value is 13. Therefore, plus 13 plus in the last row, we are having box in the second column. Therefore, the original value in that problem is 10. So which is equal to 8 plus 6 plus 13 plus 10. Therefore, the answer is 37. Thank you.